A gulab jamun contains sugar syrup up to about 30% of its volume. Gulab jamun has this shape. We can see it has a cylinder part, and at the two ends it has hemispheres, and here also hemisphere. Now in the gulab jamun the sugar syrup is 30% of its volume, and we have to calculate in 45 gulab jamuns how much sugar syrup would be there. So clearly we want to find the volume of 45 gulab jamuns, and for that we have to find the volume of one gulab jamun. So we have written here 2 into volume of hemisphere, because there are two hemispheres, 2 pi r cube by 3, plus volume of this cylindrical part. So pi is common and r is also common, but first of all we have to see that r is same in both the cases or not. Radius of this hemispherical part will be this. Also, if you see the cylinder, so cylinder has this circular base here, and its radius will be same radius of this hemisphere. Want to find the value of this radius. In the question it is given the diameter of this cylinder is 2.8 centimeter, diameter of this gulab jamun. So it will have the same diameter here, same length here. This is the radius, which is half of this diameter. So it also will be the radius of this cylinder. We have to put the value of r, 4 by 3 into 1.4 plus height. Now this height is belong to this cylinder. In the question it is given the length of the gulab jamun is 5 centimeter. So length will be considered from this point to this point, but we have to calculate the height of this cylindrical part. Only difficult part of this question is that how to find the height of this cylindrical part. So we have to find this part, which is nothing, this height is nothing but the radius of this hemisphere. Now here it is not made correctly, but if you see here, this length and this length is same, because this hemisphere is a part of this sphere or circle. If this is the center, this is also radius and this is also radius. So height and radius of hemisphere is same, and we have calculated the radius of this hemisphere is 1.4. We are subtracting 1.4 here, and also we are subtracting 1.4 here. 5 minus 2.8, and it will get us 2.2 centimeter, which is the height of this cylindrical part. Putting the value of this h here, 2.2, 11 to 7.28, and the sugar syrup is the 30% of the volume of gulab jamun. So 30 by 100 into 11 to 7.28. Book answer it is given 338, which is almost the same as 338.184. It is volume, so it is centimeter cube.